Have you ever seen an affiliate program that is absolutely perfect in every way? Well, me neither. But I've got 3 examples today that I'm going to go over that are setting that new standard in 2021. It's coming up now. Welcome back to the channel, folks. Dustin House here again, spreading that good word about affiliate marketing. If this is your first time here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can get some updates about affiliate marketing and how to grow your channel. Making that perfect affiliate program, basically it's a pipe dream. But I'm going to highlight 3 programs that I think are doing really amazing things right now. And I'm going to showcase what they're doing so right to get them to that status. And we're going to go over a couple of different criteria here. First and foremost, you need a good tracking solution that actually works. I'm highlighting a few programs from ShareSale Network because I know that platform extremely well, and I love the way this solution is put together. You need a stellar landing page, one that highlights the best selling points of the program. You need a great onboarding process. You need resources to make life easy on the affiliate. Now, with all that in mind, here are my top picks that I'm seeing doing fantastic things. Number 1, ConvertKit. This program is firing on all cylinders. This is one of the best affiliate sign-up pages I've ever seen. Clear CTA on that first fold, sets expectations quickly with 30% recurring, and they partnered up with a superstar affiliate, Pat Flynn. He's not only one of the best affiliates out there, but he's also their best recruiter for the program. Affiliate and affiliate program teaming up built some killer content on how to be a ConvertKit brand ambassador. It's a brilliant move by this company, and it's a concept that is completely underutilized in this industry. The program itself is using an in-house tracking software solution called LinkMink, which is a solid and affordable solution for a private program. The dashboard isn't that fancy, but it has everything an affiliate needs: tracking links, deep linking capacity, free account offer, demo videos, graphics, and that best selling point. Number 2, WP Engine. This one is a bit of a homer pick, I'm going to admit, since I used to manage this program myself, but I absolutely love this company, the people, the product, and especially the affiliate program. WP Engine is a huge name in the WordPress industry, and one of the big reasons is because of the affiliate program. They boast $200 plus commissions per sale, and they have a sweet 2-tier program that motivates affiliates to bring all their affiliate friends to the table. WP Engine has a team of 4 friendly folks that are dedicated to help affiliates get resources they need to succeed. They provide free trials for testing and have co-branded landing pages for their top partners. Now, what really makes this program special, though, is a dedication to the content publishers. They don't allow coupon sites in their program. And if one happens to sneak into the program, WP Engine uses special commission rules within ShareSale platform to ensure the content publishers are getting rewarded for their efforts. They recognize that there is little value to the partners that stand in front of the cash register and hand out discounts to customers that are already going to check out. All these reasons is why WP Engine lands in that number 2 spot. In that number 3 spot, I picked SEMrush, or SEMrush for those that want to be a jerk about it. First off, SEMrush is an industry-leading product that I personally use on a daily basis to run my own affiliate programs. It is extremely useful to find high potential affiliates. You build lists and then you use snob.io to hunt down contact information. Bam! Prospect list magic. But the other side of SEMrush awesomeness is the affiliate program. It's hosted on Share a Sale Network. Their sign up page is masterfully done, highlighting $200 commissions for sales, $10 for leads. They explain how easy it is to make money, some examples of who their affiliates are, and showcase the team of affiliate managers. Any program that has 8 dedicated managers is going to be a responsive and dedicated program to their affiliates. Andre is my personal contact, and he was happy to set me up with a free trial to some of their extended features of the product, which ended up converting me into a long-time customer. I love the selection of landing pages to cater to the affiliate audience, including some of the free trials, website audits, and access to free resources in the SEMrush and SEO Academy. Do you want to learn how to build a stellar affiliate program like the ones I highlighted today? Well then come on down to dustinhouse.com. Get yourself some free resources on how to grow your affiliate program. Or join our tribe of affiliate managers over at performancemarketingmanager.com, where you're going to learn through group coaching and private coaching from me about how to grow that affiliate program. Check out the description below for links to all the resources we talked about in this video. Good luck out there, and we'll catch you next time. Cheers.